Okay, so it's still Easter morning, and we're going to open up our Kinder Surprise eggs. Right, Jasper? Jasper, where are you? Are you not coming to open the Kinder Surprise stuff with me?
I was sleeping.
You were sleeping? I don't believe that. Which one do you want to do first?
I think
Captain Marvel or Black Panther?
it's the same color as this, so Black Panther.
You want to do Black Panther because you have a black sheet today?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it. I'm thinking these are going to take a little bit more work to clean or to build than the usual Kinder Surprise. Whoa.
Smash the sucker up.
Black Panther. Holy moly.
Wow! Dad, you can have this piece.
Thanks, man.
Welcome.
How do I open this thing? Use all my muscles.
Dad, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Oh. That's the secret. You got to smash it.
Yeah, you gotta smash it.
You know, for as big as the egg was, I thought the dude inside would be even bigger, but maybe this won't be as hard as I thought. Some stickers. All right, step one. This is the feet. Oh, we gotta put the base sticker on. Okay, so now there's a base to the sticker there. Base on the sticker, sticker on the base. Step two, put the dude on.
Base on the sticker.
Step three. It looks like it glows in the dark. I bet you this glows in the dark. Not that we can show you guys that right now. What else do we got? We got 3 stickers, but it looks like the stickers are just for you to play with in your own sticker book. They have nothing to do with this guy. So we got these 3 stickers. So you get 3 stickers and you get a Black Panther dude, which apparently will glow in the dark. That wasn't too bad to do.
Dad, you can have another piece if you want. You can have this one.
Okay.
2 pieces.
Cheers.
You can have this one too.
How much chocolate do you think I'm going to eat?
Hey, Dad, you should cheers me.
You know what we should do?
What?
This one.
Dad, then we should cheers.
And then we got a lot of chocolate to eat.
Yeah, let's
Captain
cheers.
Marvel. Let's do it.
Let's cheers first.
You want a cheers?
Mm-hmm.
Cheers. Okay, open that one.
And the master machine of opening.
That's right.
Let's open this. Let's open this Bast baby.
This what?
Bast baby.
Bast baby? What's a Bast baby?
It means for like a big sign. For like this is a big Kinder egg.
Okay.
It's a sign for big Kinder egg. Okay. Okay, I need to.
Whoa, explosion.
Whoa, it's already built!
Looks like he's flying.
Yeah, and there's this one more piece to build with.
Mm-hmm.
Wow!
So, these stickers, once again, are just for putting in your sticker book.
And there's only one piece, it just came out like this.
Attach it.
I don't know how. Put it on our head.
This is the base that it stands on. So that has to go in there somehow.
Oh. So I think I know how to do that.
I think you know how to do it too.
Is that the middle piece needs to get inside.
Think
That
it
it's
gets the
supposed
other
to be
way?
like that.
Let me just double check. There we go. I had to click a little bit, I think. Okay, so there you got Captain Marvel
Daddy?
flying off into space or something. And she does not glow in the dark. Got more chocolate for me? Okay, give me a cheers and let's say goodbye. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Anything you want to tell them?
Like and subscribe, please.
Okay, bye, guys. Cheers. You got a lot of chocolate here. Daddy's getting fat.
No.